Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to uninstall WinRAR in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for apps. We'll be having this apps and features under system settings, or you can click on add or remove programs. I will go with apps and features, and here we will be having this search this list option. Here just go and search for WinRAR and we'll be having this. Select it and click on uninstall. Click again and just click on yes, and it says you need to reboot Windows to uninstall WinRAR completely. Just click on OK, and if you want you can restart your system now. And even in the control panel programs, if I refresh and scroll down, WinRAR is not there. And now you can just go to search and type run, and here just type %app data % and click on OK. And here we'll be having a folder named WinRAR. You can simply delete this. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.